All right, what's going on, guys? Attic install. I'm mentally drained, physically drained, pooped. I'm home now. Time to get in the shower. We're walking the dog. If you do HVAC, you know how hot it gets in those attics, and you know how awkward the places are. Whatever. We had a air handler in the attic today. Air handler used to be sitting on the joist, just resting on the joist on top of a metal, rusted out drain pan. Drains went to nowhere. They were completely just abandoned. One was a garden hose that actually did make it outside, but it wasn't hooked up at the furnace. Garden hose, hackery. Taken out, absolute hackery. Of course, we hung the unit, put it on unistrut, plywood, drain pan, float switch, you name it. There's a couple of things we couldn't get done. We need an hour. We're going back tomorrow after we finish that install. It's just a wall furnace install. So we're gonna go back to this job tomorrow and tidy some things up. One flex run, the return needs to be hooked up. And other than that, AC startup is done, new drain, whole new drain out of the house. Check this video out. You gotta watch it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mello. He's so excited. Go ahead. Let's go. Oh, and there we go. I'm not running. It's way too early for that. About 6:15, go on a little walk, take a quick shower, head off to work. We'll hit the gym after work today. Beautiful morning out here. Corn is coming up. This field was planted a little bit early, but it still looks really, really good. This is too cool. That's what we're working with. Yeah, I think it's elbow. So that's just insulated. Okay. I thought it was hackery, but not bad. Line set goes over that way. So we are where we thought we were, which is the lower part of the roof. We'll see where that drain goes later. This is what we're working with. Take it off, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. 1/2-inch PVC, that's fine, right? To a trap, good job, guys. And then you failed the test. What the fuck what are you doing? Hackery. This is really what we're dealing with here. Why the fuck is that one even there? Fucking beautiful. Oh, here she comes. Nice. Good. Got my gangster hat on now. Yeah. Oh my god. It's about break time, and I'm not kidding. Okay, we pulled the coil. I'm probably gonna pull this blower. Yeah, definitely pulling the blower. There's no SSU. We gotta go find the breaker first. Okay, coil and blower is out. We just got the casing. I've got to get this return off. And we gotta fight those screws out. But we're not setting the GoPro up. We're in and out of this. That's temporary. I don't think so. Okay. What type of service tech makes this repair? Strip the wires back and just redo it. Your tape? Really? We're repairing insulation down the wire with... Oh my god. This is the line set. We're gonna replace the insulation, but it's just gonna stay like that. No line height. And it is what it is. The old Lennox coming out. That pad looks so warped on camera. Wow. And this is the aftermath. With a unistrut, hang the unit, make it all right from the get-go. Okay. Oh Lord. Beautiful handwriting, beautiful picture here, some artwork. Unistrut going that way, all thread, you know, the whole deal. This attic is just, I'd rather have a crawl space. We would rather have a crawl space. Load it down. She fits in there. We got the porta-van, unistrut, all thread, everything we could need. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Oh Lord, it's hot. Okay, so what we're working with, I'm back here to level in it. Bruh. Alright, I'm not gonna allow to film clips from today because it is hot in that attic. And we have a lot to do for one day. The old one day install. And when we show up to these installs, we haven't even seen it until we see it, you know? I don't know what to expect till I get there. Time to braze it up. Another pool that I wish I could jump in. Wet rag, shredders out, nitrogen. Let's do it. Alright, so I just went to the shop. I had to pick up some 8-inch elbows and some stuff to reconnect that flex and return. Anyways, we got the supply all sealed up. Nice. The unit is on unistrut. It's been a fight. Obviously not much film. Film? Who am I? Obviously not much recordings, clips from today. I tried to get what I could get. You'll see the finished product, and you saw what it was before. Looks so good now. A little bit of overtime, but on the way back to the job site. Drake's there right now finishing up some things. He's got that drain rerouted. We ran a new drain because their secondary drain was a garden hose, and their first drain, primary drain, was non-existent. Drained to nowhere. So it's a good thing that AC hasn't worked. And I don't know where that water's going, where it went. We know where it's going now though, so. Anyways, that's what we got going on. Hot, sweaty, like 85 out today, humid, we're in Illinois. Let's see what the humidity is, hold on. All right, it's actually only 49% humidity. I thought it'd be like 70. Definitely up in that attic after we're sweating, it's about 100. So, HVAC life, little full install. I got things rolling around back there. Full install in a day. Yeah, it's just an air handler, but man, oh my God, you see what we're working with. All right, let's go finish this up. Rerouting the drain. I gotta go all the way back there. Oh Lord. Look at that. Mission successful. We're a mess. I'm happy to be home. Dog's pissing in the rocks. What are you doing? Use the grass, man. I'm not even gonna fix anything. This is what we got. I'm getting in the shower. That's today's video. If you liked it, just subscribe, please. Hit the like button. I'm pooped. I'm tired. That's it. Peace. On the next one.